Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram story not showing problem. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search your Instagram and update your Instagram application. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the settings and then you need to go into the app management and click on app list and search for Instagram, and then you need to click on storage and cache, and first you need to clear cache and clear storage. Once you've done that, you simply need to go into the permissions and allow all permissions, as you can see that. Then you need to log in your Instagram account, and here you can see that now stories are working. So this is a process by which you can fix Instagram story not showing problem. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.